Hello students, hope you all are well. Today's video is for BBA third year finance specialization students and the subject name is WCM, that is working capital management. Dear students, so far in your unit 2 of WCM subject we were discussing the different concept of cash management, because unit 2 totally comprises of cash management. Now we have seen so many things like meaning of cash management, motives for holding the cash, approaches to cash management, significance of cash management, and in the last video we have seen the management of cash with various techniques like cash forecasting and cash budget. In fact, I have just started the basic meaning of cash budget. Cash budget forms a significant part in the cash management. So far we have completed only the meaning of cash management. So in today's video, we will discuss in a very detailed manner some other aspects of cash budget. Some other aspects of cash budget. Now, after seeing the basic meaning of cash budget, let's discuss what are its purpose, or what is the objective, or what is the uses of cash budget. Uses of cash budget. There are most probably 10 different uses of cash budget. Why the cash budget is being prepared, what is its uses, or what is the purpose behind preparing the cash budget. There are 9 to 10 points we will discuss one by one. So the cash budget is an important tool for cash planning and control. Now, with the help of cash budget, all the cash plannings we can easily able to do regarding the cash, because in almost every class of WCM I have been telling you that managing the cash, or maintenance of cash, or maintaining an optimum level of cash is highly essential for any organization. Any organization should not keep with themselves too much cash, nor they can afford to make shortage of cash. In both the cases, whether cash shortage or cash excess, in both the cases it will lead to mismanagement, because if excess cash is there, then again the unnecessary blockage of cash. If shortage is cash is there, then the business may face the problem of not meeting its requirements, or you can say expenses, on timely basis. So in both the cases it is quite hazardous for the organization. So proper cash planning, the word is proper, you can see cash planning and control is always essential for every organization. So with the help of cash budget, with the help of cash budget, the cash planning and control of the organization can easily be done. Cash budget always coordinates the activities like working capital sales, investment and credit. Investment and credit. So working capital, sales, investment and credit all are having a vital importance in the business, and both are closely interlinked with each other also. One item, that is working capital, is depending upon sales. Sales is depending upon the investment that the organization is made, and also the credit that generally the organization is aligned to its sundry debtors. So the collection of credit from sundry debtor, the working capital turnover, the sales turnover, the investment turnover, these all things are very very vital for any organization in order to become success. Now cash budget is nothing but, rather it helps the organization in achieving its activities, like proper coordination or by proper coordinating the different activities like working capital, sales, investment and credit. It always allows the organization to be in the upper hand whenever there is proper coordination came into existence. So with the help of a cash budget, we can easily able to make a proper coordination between the different activities of the organization. Now we have completed the first point. We have also completed the second point. Now the third point, the point number 3 tells us that cash budget is a predetermined statement which shows the cash incomes and cash expenditure over a period of time. So cash budget nothing but it shows the various cash incomes and as well as various cash expenditure over a period of time. Now with the help of cash budget we are always making in advance. That's why the statement is cash budget is a predetermined statement. Cash budget is a predetermined statement. So cash budget we are always preparing in advance so that all the cash incomes, all the cash incomes as well as the cash expenditure over a particular period of time can easily be find out. What is the expected sources from where the cash will come or the receipts will come or the income that will come to the organization, and what will be the expected resources whereby the organization is going to make the expenses. So with the help of a cash budget we are always able to know in well advance. Then point number 4, it is prepared, it means cash budget is prepared to identify the excess cash or shortage of cash in a definite future period. This point is very important. Cash budget is always prepared to identify the excess cash or shortage of cash. Excess cash or shortage cash. Now I have been telling you that managing the or identifying the excess cash amount or identifying the shortage cash amount is highly essential for every organization, because if we know that on a future date, it means we are knowing well in advance that on a future date there will be cash shortage. So from today onwards we will start arranging for those period where the cash shortage is there. For example, today is the month of August or very soon September is coming. If with the help of cash budget we are able to know that during the month of February 2021 there will be shortage of cash, so we will start arranging for that particular period, that is for the month of February, from till now or from today onwards. What does it means? If we start arranging for the shortage cash amount from today onwards or well in advance, now the cost to the company will be definitely some lesser as compared to cash budget could have been not there. So if we start arranging for the shortage cash amount right now, we can go for various alternatives that are available to us. We can go for bank loan, we can go for financial services, we can go for various other parties to arrange for the cash. We may also ask with other companies to give some cash to us. So by doing so we are opening up various alternatives, and definitely we will choose that particular alternative which gives us the cash at a low rate of interest. On the other hand, if we will not prepare cash budget and during the month of February 2021, in that particular month only we came to know that in this month cash shortage will be there, so we will start arranging for the cash very hurriedly. Now what does it mean when we arrange for the cash, when we are searching for the cash hurriedly, then the cost of the cash will be definitely higher, because we have not sufficient time in our hand to arrange for the cash. Rather we have to go for the option which gives us the cash immediately. But if we start arranging for the cash from today onwards, that is well in advance, we can go for various alternative opportunities and choose that particular alternative which gives us or which arranges the cash at a low rate of interest. Similarly, talking about this is all about shortage cash. Now talking about the excess cash, as you all know, if there is excess cash on a particular month and we are knowing well in advance, then we can easily arrange for investment in the cash in various marketable securities. Marketable securities means those securities which can easily be converted into cash within a short period of time, that is less than 1 year. So we may start thinking of investing that particular excess cash in any kind of marketable securities, so that we may able to get some extra interest out of that marketable securities. So these all things, whether on a future date there will be cash shortage or there will be excess cash, these all things are known to us with the help of a cash budget. So what we are discussing? We are discussing the various uses of a cash budget. So point number 4 is a very major point, because with the help of cash budget we are able to know, or we are able to identify the amount of cash that will be either excess or shortage on future dates. Cash budget always helps to utilize the excess cash in a particular manner. So with the help of a cash budget, we are always able to utilize the excess cash amount. We may think for other investment opportunities. Right now I am talking in the previous point that we may go for various marketable securities. So with the help of cash budget, the excess cash can easily be invested. Point number 5 over. Point number 6. It guides the financial management to formulate various investment plans and definite policies. Now, with the help of cash budget, we always suggest the financial manager to formulate various investment plans and also different policies. The investment plans and policies of the organization can be prepared with the help of a cash budget. So keeping the cash budget in mind, or with the help of a cash budget, various policies, various what you can say, investment policies or definite policies, investment plans, alternative plans, investment plans, where to invest, so that the organization can easily able to get a high rate of interest. So these all things will be possible with the help of a cash budget. So cash budget is also having various other uses. Let's discuss that. So we have completed 6 points. Let's discuss point number 7. Cash budget act as a tool for effective utilization of cash. Effective utilization of cash. Now, cash budget can easily be used as an important tool for effective utilization of cash. With the help of cash budget, we are always try to make use of the effective cash management. Next point. It provides necessary information to the financial manager for decision making. Now, with the help of cash budget, the finance manager of the organization can easily prepare its decisions regarding cash planning and control. So, the cash planning, the cash control, the financial decision making can be easily possible with the help of the cash budget. Talking about next point, point number 9. It estimates the cash budget always estimate the shortage cash or excess cash for the smooth running of the business. Now, with the help of cash budget, we are always able to know in well advance whether there will be any kind of cash deficiency or cash cash deficiency or cash shortage, you can also say, or excess cash with the help of a cash budget. Point number 10. Cash budget always helps in availing various cash discounts on accounts payable. Cash discounts on accounts payable. So with the help of cash budget, we are always able to avail various cash discounts on accounts payable. Accounts payable are nothing but the sundry creditors. Remember, accounts payable is the other term or other name of sundry creditors. Now, with the help of cash budget, since we are making with the help of cash budget, since the organization is able to make the payments in time, hence the sundry creditors, those who supply raw materials to us, or those who supply or those who give credit to us, they can easily offer us certain amount of cash discounts, because they know that this organization is continuously paying us our credit amount on timely basis. So by making payment on timely basis, the organization is also able to get various cash discounts on the sundry creditors or on accounts payable. Now, this cash discount is an additional profit, or you can also say additional income for the organization, because even though a small percentage is given as a cash discount, when the transaction is done in lakhs and lakhs, then even though in that case a small percentage of cash discount also plays a vital role. Now, that particular cash discount is an additional income for the organization. So with the help of cash budget, the organization is also able to earn certain extra amount of money. Point number 11. It is subject to the management to make overdraft whenever there is shortage of cash. So it always suggests the management to go for the overdraft facilities, whenever there is shortage of cash. So since with the help of cash budget, the organization is able to know that on which particular month, on a future date, there will be cash shortage. So the cash budget always suggests the financial manager to go for or arrange for the bank overdraft for making fulfill the shortage of cash, or to meet the shortage cash, go for the overdraft on in particular bank. Last point, point number 12. it reveals the surplus amount, or you can also say the effect of seasonal fluctuation on cash position. Now, cash budget always reveals or always shows the information regarding the surplus cash amount or the effect of seasonal fluctuations in cash position. So, the seasonal fluctuation in the cash position, on which month the cash amount is increasing, on which month the cash balance is decreasing, on which balance there is optimum balance of cash, again on the next month suppose the cash balance is increasing, again in the next month suppose the cash balance is decreasing. These all things regarding effect of seasonal fluctuations. Now, surplus amount, that is the closing balance of cash. This all information we will be able to know with the help of cash budget. So these are the 12 major purposes or uses or advantages of cash budget. Hence, it is very necessary for every organization to prepare a cash budget so that these various benefits that we just discussed right now can easily be availed by the organization. So go through these points very carefully. That's it in today's video. Thank you, students.